Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool 6 hats for thinking. Okay, this video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of analysis. It got the following characteristics. 6 Hats Thinking Hats. It's a book by Edward de Bono, which exposes a tool for group discussion and decision making, known as a method of the 6 hats to think, Bono 6 hat, or simply from the 6 hat. The tool is based on the principle that each problem can be analyzed from 6 different points of view, all starting from the same point of attention. There are 6 imaginary hats that each of the participants can wear and remove to indicate the type of thought that they are using, having always keep in mind that the action of putting and taking off the hat is essential. This tool, I strongly recommend to use it only for things that are complex. If it's something simple, it's not worth all the effort to develop. So if you are thinking to solve or have a better understanding of a situation, only use this tool if it's something that is really important, meaningful, and complex. Okay, so for develop this tool is very important that the session is being moderated by a moderator, someone who's giving the word to also to keep in mind which hat each person is using. Also, it's very important to analyze each of the 6 points of view to see which are the point of view that each of the members have. Also, at the end of the session, you need to have a clear result and to keep in mind that you need to develop something specific to fix, improve, or develop in a different way the problem that you are looking for. Of course, it's very important to work this as a group. At least four. That will be the bare minimum, and you can also have a bigger group of at least 10 people, but not bigger than that because otherwise, for the moderator and for all the people that is interacting, it will be very difficult. So the 6 hats are the white one, which is neutral, the green one, which is creative, the yellow one, which is positive, the black one, which is negative, the red one, which is emotional, and finally the blue one, which is the process. So I'm going to start explaining each of the hats and what are the things that you should be analyzing when you are wearing each of the hats. When you are wearing the white one, it's very important that you will have a neutral point of view. You will be looking for information, you will be objective in your analysis, and you will be focused on facts and specific data because that will allow you to keep a neutral point of view and not to be left to another of one because you could have a premeditated idea. But if you are wearing the white one, you need to keep in mind the facts, data. You have to be very objective and, of course, be very informative. Creative, the green one, which is the second one, you will analyze the effort of the situation, the attitude that you could have to them, and of course with kind of solution and ideation you could have on that specific um, situation. So that will be very important because the creative one will allow you to understand and have maybe different ideas and share it with your group of points of view or things that previously maybe no one has seen before. So that will be very helpful. The third one is the yellow one, which is positive. With positive, it means that we analyze the situation in an optimist way. We'll see the advantage and we see the feasibility that you will have to fix, improve the situation or the problem that you're looking for. So this one always you will see, this is very subjective, you will see all only the good things that you could have here. The Next one is the black one, which is all the negative. It's the opposite to the yellow one. And here you will see all the problems, all the defects that you could see, and all the things that could go wrong. And the idea is that you could share it with all your group. Then you will have the red one. The red one is the emotional one. Here you will be looking for sensations, you will see a state of emotions, and you will share all the feelings that the situation make you feel, and you will share it with all your group. Finally, we'll wear the blue one. The blue one is the process. Here you will see all the actions, all the discipline, all the time, all the step by step that you will have to analyze the problem, and of course at the end you will have a conclusion. Every participant using this technique, it has to wear the six hats, not at the same time, because maybe I could start with, I don't know, the green one and then the black one, but it's very important that you wear all the hats. At the end, all the group combined, all the group together will make a conclusion and will take a decision, taking into account all the six hats and all the different points of view. This session could take a long time. It really depends of the problem. It really depends of how many people you will have. That's why the role of the moderator is so important, because it will be the one that give you the word, allow you to understand in different ways. So it's strongly important that you understand all of these kinds of situations. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool is 100% complementary with the design thinking methodology, especially in the stages of definition and ideation. It could help you in both stages. This tool must be used only for situations complex, because it will take a long time to make the analysis in the six points of view and share it with all the group. And finally, empathy and understanding is key in the whole process with this tool. You will really have to have an open mind here, because you really have to put your head imaginary, and you will have to be really in the role of each of these 6 points of view. Uh, if someone doesn't have creativity, and someone doesn't feel comfortable with this situation, it will have a good time. It will be everything very difficult. So this is for creative people, but also that has a lot of empathy, and people who are not afraid to get ridiculed or get outside of their comfort zone, because it won't be easy. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help for your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Our Udemy courses are already available. You can find the link in the description of this video. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking and agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.